My name is June Karaoke.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to all of you. Nimewamiss. Hope you guys have had a good year. Hope you guys had a fantastic start of the year. Mine has been awesome. Mine has been amazing. I've been super busy. That's why I have not posted anything in a while. But happy new year, guys. I'm wishing you nothing but the best this coming year, to grow this channel. We grow to get 1,000 subscribers this year. This is my goal, to get to 1,000 and surpass it. So hope we can do it together through good content and having fun as well. Sindio. So today, actually I'm hot. Kai, it is hot in Nairobi. What? So today is actually on Wednesday. So I'm from doing a couple of my errands. There's some documents I was supposed to drop off, so I'm done with that. So right now I'm off to meet my best friend. We are going to if I'm not wrong, it's Royal Club. It's a country club of some sort, yeah. So we're just going to do a couple of things, which among them is making vision boards. So this year, but I've never made a vision board before. Sijui, I don't know why. I just always procrastinated. Alafu the year just comes to like katikati and I cannot make a vision board anymore. But now, since you're still in the early stages of the year, so we want to make vision boards. So we want to go purchase the manila papers, markers, what is it called, scissors, Prit glue and stuff like that, so that we can make. So that's our agenda, to make our vision boards, as well as be able to finish our business. And there's some things we're working on, so that's what we are going to do there. So I'm just headed to meet my best friend, and then yeah, see, we'll talk after. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. This is a very fun page. We do very fun things. Yeah, we cook, we travel, we make vision boards, as today we're doing. So yeah, let's make this vision board together. Let's start our year on a good note. So okay, see you guys when I meet my best friend. Bye bye. Vlog ama tena utakuwa shy. I'm doing it. To you. So the last time I spoke to you guys was on was it Wednesday, and we were making our vision board. So today, actually niko kwa gari, I have to speak to you while the phone is shaking because I'm at Tamaram Road. I am just headed to the gym So this is the first day I'm trying out the gym. I've never been to the gym before, so we said new year, new things. Tulieka kwa vision board. Now we are bringing it to life. We are working towards it. So my goal this year is just to become fit, to feel better, you know, to just kukua fit generally, to lose weight, to, you know, ile summer body, tuna by the time we Africa birthday, at least, you know, we have goals, you know. So I'm headed to the gym. I'm headed for aerobics. It's 5:50 right now, and the session starts at 6 p.m. So that's what I'm rushing to go do before nichelewe. So yeah, that's that. So I'll see you when I get to the gym. Bye bye. Hello, hi my loves, how you guys doing? Okay, I know I left you guys hanging jana when I was going to the gym, yeah. So I'm actually driving, that's why I keep on looking down. I keep on looking up, I mean. So jana nilienda gym, nilifika late. I got there at 6:30 and I was supposed to get there at 6, but all in all watu walichelewa. So it was good, it was a nice experience. It was the first time, as I told you guys, kwenda gym. It was really nice. Like nilipenda yo kuchoka, like you really sweat off. Like I felt after it all, it was tiring, it was very challenging for me, but afterwards I felt really, really good about myself. So today is another day. We'll try. I'll go again. I have a session I think at around 4. I want to go to the gym before watu wa job wafike, like before watu wenye wanatoka kazi they crowd the gym. So right now I'm headed towards I'm headed to a meeting. I'm going to meet up with the HR of a certain company. Najua lazima tutafute pesa. We have to look for this money, you know, Nairobi ni kusurvive. So that's what I'm about to go do just right now. Niende nipatane naye, see how things are going, see if we are going to get the job. And if we do, you know, all glory to God. We thank God regardless. So after that, I'll be heading to the gym, where I'll just work out kidogo. So I'll catch you up guys with what I will be doing. So tuonane baadaye. Bye bye. Ushaanza. Hi my loves, how you guys doing? Happy Friday. Today's a Friday, so your girl just left the house. I've been so bored since morning, nowhere to go. So today's like my day off / leave. I didn't want to go anywhere, I didn't want to do anything. So I just decided to toka kwa nyumba, just popped out of the house for a bit. I'm driving ni more place kwa steering. If you just saw where you guys are at, but it does the job, so whatever. So nimetoka to do one errand. I had some documents to pick up that I did, and then after that I'm off to my mama. There's a mama I buy my gym clothes from. That's where I'm going right now. Niende tu I pick up some gym clothes, and then after that I think I'm going to go get a car wash because this car is really, really dirty, and then probably buy some things for the house. I see jewelry, I don't know. I have nothing planned really, like I'm just winging it. It's one of those days where I'm just winging it. But I'm going to show you the gym clothes that I'm going to get. That mama has amazing stuff, although she doesn't have like the entire outfit. She just has the tights, which I really love, and they are really cheap, they're really affordable. So that's what we are about to go do right now, to just get the gym clothes. I'll show you. There's one, I have 2, but one sijui mali imeenda, so that's when nataka kwenda niongeze other 2 or 3, but I think 2 will suffice because we don't need too much. So let's go to Mama Plugs, let's go get the gym sets, and then yeah, and then see if we're going to go for a car wash. But I'm really thirsty, Manze. What is this January heat? What is this January heat? It's so hot. Oh my god, yani it's so hot. Like that, I don't know. I think I'm going to go for a swim tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I think I will. So let's go get the gym clothes, guys. Then we'll probably catch up later. So bye bye. Guys, this is what I'd gone for, and then the tights. Let me show you. I got 2 tights. Let me show you guys. This is what I got, like material ya gym peke yake. Let me show you. This, I got this nice tights, really comfortable, my size. Guess for how much? Guess for how much? Imagine. Guess how much? Imagine this tights are 200 bob. That's why I like this mama. I don't think she knows that the quality that she sells, I fake were that cheap. I don't know. But anywho, I got 2. I'm going to show you. I'm going to wear one now. Nitafua sahi, itakauka haraka, because I'm going to the gym at 7:30, and then I'm going to show you how they look on me. So yeah. Hey loves. Struggles. Hellos. Hi my loves. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing amazing. So today is Saturday. Your girl is off to some errands. Today is just a day full of errands. But I think namaliza mapema. So it's 9:45 right now, and I have a meeting. A SACCO meeting. I'm in a Kachama. So the meeting is today, but I never usually go for these meetings. But the catch about heading for these meetings is that they actually pay you to attend meetings. So this meeting is happening from 9:45 to 12, and then you get the minute you sign in, 1,000 bob is debited to your account. Can you imagine? And then you're given a snack and a drink. Like what? That's crazy. I know that's what makes me go for these meetings anyways. So that's what I'm headed to do, and then after that I have to go pick some fish, and then yeah, we'll talk, right? Akina Endesha Boleni. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later, right? Bye bye. Guys, so just guess what happened to your girl. Yani, I don't even know what to say. So not even so long ago, I was pulled over by the police, right? And typical me, nilikuwa kwa jam, sikuwa nisimame actually. I was nilikuwa kwa traffic, so there's no way ningehepa. So your girl does this, pulls over, talks to the cops, nipatie driving license, sawa, nini, me and everything is okay. I forgot that a couple of days ago, I was hit, my windscreen was hit by, chippings, these loose chippings from roads that are being made. Iligonga windscreen, and the windscreen crack. Hey, sasa, let me show you. This is what happened. Are you guys seeing? This is the crack. I will just see. Like iligongwa hapa. You see where this star is? This is where the car was hit by a loose chipping. Kitu ndogo to just small. Look at how big it's become now. Angalia. It's become such a huge thing. So sadly, nimeshikwa. But you know what? Nimejiongelelea. That meant a bribe, and I don't like. But there's nothing I could do. He was saying sijui aniandike sijui court case, sijui what, sijui for 10,000 on Monday. So yeah, I'm just done with my errands. Just got home. That's what happened in the middle of my errands and home. Okay, that's all I have. So I'm just about to get into the house and do some. I didn't finish my vision board. Imagine sijamaliza vision board mpaka sai. Like how sad is that? So my aim is to finish that vision board today. And in it I'm manifesting a new car because igari mali imefika. I'm tired. Mara I'm being pulled over because the tires are old, the winds. Yani two problems after problems. So God, a new car please. It doesn't even have to be extra new, but just a new one. Anyway, see you. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye. So this is the fish. This is what I got. Very fresh fish. By the way, if you're looking to buy fish, Victory Farms they have so many branches. Githurai, Ngong Road, Roysambu, Kayole. They have so many. So that's how I get my fresh fish. So that is that. And then this is what I got from the chama that I went for. See, I told you guys that you get paid 1,000 bob for going, and then you're given soda.